Hi everyone, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you an unboxing video today. The last couple of years have been pretty challenging, all good things for the most part in our life here, but we've just had a lot going on behind the scenes. I've mentioned it a few times. We ended up buying land in 2020 and then working to build a house here. Now we're helping my parents build their house here. So there's been a lot going on behind the scenes, and I needed to kind of simplify my life a little bit, my work a little bit. And so the channel kind of took a shift over to polymer clay earrings. It was something that was really popular at the time and gaining in popularity, and so those videos you guys liked a lot. So those kind of took the channel over a bit, but this channel's always been a general DIY channel, all things like crafting, from making home decor items and blankets, crochet, sewing, like a little bit of everything here, because that's just me, that's just who I am. And so I'm really excited. I have kind of a renewed passion and excitement for DIY stuff. I feel like our life has kind of settled a little bit, and I can get back into doing some of the things that I really love, which is sewing and crafts and stuff like that. So I'm excited to be a lot more active on this channel here and bring you a lot more videos every week, starting with this unboxing video. So I have done a little bit of quilting in the past, but the part that was the most challenging to me was cutting all the pieces. So if you've ever done anything like this, you know that it needs to be very precise, and usually it's like hundreds of pieces that you're cutting depending on your quilt and that sort of thing. So that was always just like a big hurdle for me to get over, was the cutting. Well, anyway, fast forward to just like a couple months ago, I learned about quilt kits, which are where the kits are pre-cut for you. Literally, well, almost everything that you need to make the quilt comes in the kit, and you just piece it together. You know, with your sewing machine, or do it by hand, or whatever it is you want to do. So I ended up finding this quilt kit on Etsy, and so this is the Prairie Garden quilt kit. This is by, I'll have the shop link in the description box down below, but it's by My Fabric Addiction 1 on Etsy. My Fabric Addiction 1. This video is not sponsored, but I did find this kit. I actually bought it with my own money, and then I ended up reaching out to the shop owner and saying, hey, I have a DIY channel. I'd be happy to share on there about your shop and your kit in exchange for the kit. So we ended up working it out like that. I'm so excited. Everything that came is absolutely beautiful, and I've been like counting down the days to where I could make this video so I can go ahead and get started. So like I said, this one's called Prairie Garden. She said it's a really beginner friendly quilt, which is what I need. Like I said, I have done some in the past, but not very much. It comes with instructions on how to put it together, and a little photo of it finished. And then inside the kit, so every kit is different. She has a lot of kits on there, patterns, like bundles of fabric, like so much cool stuff. You have to go check out her shop. But in this particular kit, it comes with the backing fabric that you need for the quilt. I can't remember how big this one is. I don't know if it says it. 60 inches by 72 inches. So that's pretty big. So it comes with the backing fabric. It does not come with the batting, which is like the squishy layer in between the quilt, or like needles and thread and that sort of thing. So beautiful backing fabric. And then these floral rectangles, which came in this cute little bundle tied. So cute. It's absolutely beautiful. This fabric, I'm just so excited. So excited to get started on this. And then it also, the pattern uses plain white squares in between the rectangles. It came with that bundle as well. And then it came with these strips for the binding. As you can see, these big long strips to turn into the binding for the edge of the quilt. So super simple, but man, does it take a lot of the work out of the quilting. At least for me, a lot of the kind of busy work that's not very fun, which I don't know if I'll get in trouble from quilters for saying that, but when I learned about these pre-cut quilt kits, I was like, sign me up. Where can I get those? Because I'm not a fan of cutting hundreds, sometimes thousands of pieces of fabric. It's just too much for me. Maybe it's because of the time I am in my life with like young children. I'm not sure, but whatever the case, Prairie Garden quilt kit, so excited about it. I'll have the direct link to this particular kit in the description box down below. I'll also have a link just to her shop, My Fabric Addiction 1, over on Etsy. I am hoping to start piecing this together and make a couple videos about it to share with you guys in case any of you are interested in quilting. If you are, I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Or if you have other suggestions for videos for this channel, I would love to hear from you in the comments. I'm just like wide open, super excited to get back to making all sorts of DIY videos, including polymer clay earrings, because that will never go away. I do still very much enjoy that. So I hope you enjoyed this little quilt kit unboxing, and maybe you've never heard of this before either, and it kind of opens up a new world for you of possibilities with getting started in quilting. So anyway, I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.